Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Ethernet connection is slow even though it should be faster than Wi-Fi, yeah, that's a problem. Downloads lag, games stutter, everything feels off. But don't worry, in this full guide I'll show you how to fix a slow Ethernet connection step by step. First, restart your router and your PC. I know, basic, but it clears temporary network issues and often fixes speed problems instantly. Next, check your Ethernet cable. A damaged or low-quality cable can limit your speed, so try a different one if possible. Plug your cable into a different LAN port on your router. Sometimes a single port can be faulty or slower than others. Now check for apps using your internet. Downloads, updates, or streaming in the background can slow your Ethernet speed. So yeah, close them. Make sure your Ethernet drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can reduce speed or cause instability. Here's an important one. Disable energy-efficient Ethernet in your adapter settings. It saves power but can slow your connection. Also, check your speed and duplex settings. Set it to the highest value, like 1 gigabit full duplex, for maximum performance. If your connection is set as metered, Windows may limit your speed. So yeah, turn that off. Run a malware scan as well. Some malware can secretly use your bandwidth and slow everything down. Finally, run a speed test. If speeds are still low, the issue might be your internet provider or your plan limits. And that's it. Follow these steps and your Ethernet connection should be much faster and more stable. If not, it could be a hardware or ISP issue. But yeah, most of the time these fixes solve it.